Hi, I am Anish Rai Chaudhary. So today I'm gonna tell you about the essay that I have read and I'm gonna explain about it. It is about, do plants have minds? So the main character of this essay, or the main man who is centralized in this essay, is Fechner. He is a man who believes that plants have soul. So Fechner was born in a German family to a pastor who was his father, and he studied some medicine, but later he got into physics as he became an atheist and started to believe in atheism. After that, he started to work in different things, like working in the working in translating a book about 8,000 pages, and thus he got color blinded by that. And there was also another reason, that he tried to experiment his scientific experiment, which was related to a light ray which almost blinded him. So he went into a dark room for like 2 or 3 years, where he couldn't even see the light well, and he almost lost his vision. He got help from other people, from his friends and families, to carry his daily work, but he lost all his all his interest in reading books and trying to explore the whole world. And then after, for the 2-3 years, the doctors tried to give him some mental relief, some mental tips, so that he can overcome his depression that was also there with his blindness. So around 1938 to 1838 to 1842, he was sick and he couldn't work much. And after that, he suddenly he healed gradually, and then after that he was completely healed one day, and he saw a beam of light one day in his garden that told him that he saw the plants and all the creatures in his garden like another transcendental thing that has happened in his life. So he thought this experience is a new type of experience that made him the person he was in the latter part of his life. So he became a wholly different person. He believed in the soul of the plants, whereas before he didn't even believe like the animals and plants have also lives. So the view of the world completely changed when he saw the whole world after his blindness. And then he started to publish books and try to go on with his researches about the soul of the mind. His books were not experimental, but he used to talk about all the things that he thought that plants have. Like, he thought that the plants don't have a nervous system, so why should we disqualify them as people, as organisms, that we don't feel that they have any feelings or something. So then he said that if they don't have a nervous system, maybe we don't have the thing to perceive that even without nervous system they can also work. So this was the main thing that he stated in one of his books, and he told that if people don't even believe in human soul, so people can't even think of believing in plant soul, because plant soul is something that is and was always debated, as the scientists have never found nervous system or any materialistic things that can result in a mind or something that can store and store information and data and execute their data in the minds, so that we can get a visual feeling of the real world. So he told that it is in the innate nature of the plants that the soul exists. And he tried to assert it with the other celestial bodies in the whole universe, that they also have the same soul, the soul which everyone has, that even the earth has a soul, and if one dies in earth, the one eye of earth dies. So basically we are the eyes of the earth, that he said. And he became a realist, and he tried to live his life upon that. So this was his story. And after that, after his initial 2 or 3 books, other books flopped, but he always told that even though people didn't recognize his work or didn't even say take him as an important person, but the history will be kind to himself in the future, because now in the future people started to think that plants also have minds, that plant scientists have started to work on the plants having minds, and they're starting to think and perceive how plants think, and if they have minds, so how does the neural system or the system works without the neurons. These are some sophisticated experiments that are being carried on in the world right now, that were previously influenced by Fechner's philosophy. So Fechner's philosophy made many advancements in the plant world, and he is a true innovator in these things. So I think this passage says that we should always look towards everyone, that everyone has a soul and everyone has a mind to perceive and feel things, and we should not say that they don't have soul. And the most important thing is that to experience the soul and the whole behavior of every organism, we need to be firstly be ready to open the garb around our eyes, so that we can see the whole world and embrace it. So thank you for today's session and listening to me. So I will come back with another episode. Thank you.